Hey, well today's video, I have found the remains of parts salvaged of a diner that used to exist on a highway between Frankfort and Lafayette in Indiana. The diner had been laid and abandoned for quite some time before, even as far back as I can remember when I was a kid. Back in 2019, someone had lost control of their car and crashed into the side of the diner, leaving a big hole. Left to the elements, vandals and such came by and damaged the place even more. Well, slated to be demolished, it seemed like that was the end of the diner. But before it was demoed, someone was able to salvage the front portion of the diner and transport the two slices towards Frankfort. They have plans to take the pieces and turn it into a new diner in Frankfort. Sadly, though, it seemed like either this project is postponed or it was simply too much to take on and to repair. It's sad to see, though. I don't know what's going on. Sad sight to see, though. Well, if you're interested in seeing what the interior of the diner was, I have a video up from back in 2019. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with the project. Back in 2019, in the original spot, it was a car wreck to where the car ran right into the side of the diner in the original spot. So it was to be a project to where they were going to salvage it and take the parts and turn it into a new diner at a new location in Frankfort, Indiana. But yeah, seeing as how it is right now, I don't know what's going on with the project. If anyone is actually working on it still, or if this was just left here. I mean, it's hard saying. But this spot here is actually not too far from the original location. Yeah, it's trippy to see though. Like, this was actually a couple miles away. They just took it out of the ground. So yeah. I really hope that this is actually still being worked on though. Seeing it like this though, it's, I don't know. That's gonna be really depressing, but it's a project just given up on. Hi. Oh yeah. Do you know if they're still working on this or?
Yeah, I actually live down the road, and this thing used to be sitting down there.
Yeah,
I think they're gonna give up on it. I'm not really sure.
You think so?
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
That's why I just came out to see if they'd done anything to it.
That's what I was curious too, because I remember when it was like,
Yep.
out towards Clarksville.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope they're still working on it though. That'd be cool if they did,
Yeah, it'd be badass. They got it all done back up in shape, but I don't know. I mean, just
yeah, the way it looks right now, yeah.
Everything needs to.
Yeah, it's sad to see it in the state. Yeah.
Yeah. That'd be cool if they fucking get it all redone and have it open. And
right.
It'd be better than having Subway sitting up here.
Right. Have like another option.
Yeah. That's what I told everybody. I was like, man, I wish they had some other kind of fucking diner or fucking fast food or something. Subway, they kind of got the conglomerate on everything. They can do whatever they want, charge whatever they want.
Right.
So your sandwich costs $15 fucking.
$15.
Well,
yeah. Yeah, you too. Yeah, I get that. Yeah. I'd like to be optimistic about the project, but yeah, in the state that it's in, it's not looking too good. But anyways, yep. See you around.